The Galaxy S24 Ultra has been leaked once again through a hands-on video shared by the renowned tipster Ice Universe on Twitter. The short clip unveils a flat display with sharp corners, signaling a departure from the curved edges of previous Ultra models, aligning with the design trend initiated by the S23 Ultra. In a leaked video, the S24 Ultra is presented with a flat screen, mirroring other phones in the series. The edges surrounding the screen appear slimmer, and the front camera hole seems more compact than its predecessors. This overall design change is noteworthy, prompting speculation about user opinions on this fresh, flat design. Leaked photos of the S24 Ultra showcase the phone in a gray color, confirming previous rumors. The device maintains a sleek and robust appearance with its flat screen, eliminating the necessity for costly screen protectors. The back of the phone retains a matte finish, providing a luxurious feel, and the lighter titanium construction may contribute to enhanced durability. Ice Universe also shared additional insights into the Galaxy S24 series, highlighting improvements in the touch response speed of the screens by over 10%. This enhancement promises a smoother and more responsive user experience, particularly advantageous for gaming, as the higher touch sampling rate ensures more accurate and swift touch input detection. Subsequent to the significant leak detailing the Galaxy S24 series, official cases for the flagship devices have been disclosed through a leaked image posted by EV Leaks on Twitter. The cases include simple silicone and leather options in various colors, as well as unique selections like a silicone grip case and the Smart View wallet case. Notably absent from the leak is the suitcase case, recognized for its interchangeable plates using NFC technology to change the device's wallpaper and UI theme. Samsung has initiated a reservation program for the Galaxy S24 series, allowing interested customers to sign up early and potentially receive discounts and other prizes when pre-orders commence on January 17. This strategic move is aimed at generating early interest and bookings for the upcoming flagship models. With the release date approaching, users can expect to discover more about the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra, including their features, aesthetics, and pricing. Samsung's reservation program offers an opportunity for fans to express early interest and secure benefits with the impending flagship series. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.